The day I caught my brother in bed with my fiancée was the day my entire family died for me. I remember standing in the doorway, frozen, as the two people I trusted most looked up at me like I was the intruder. My brother didn't even bother to move. My fiancée, my future wife, just covered herself with the blanket and whispered my name like it would fix anything. I didn't scream. I didn't cry. I didn't break anything. I just felt this silence. A silence so heavy it pressed against my chest and made it hard to breathe. For months, I had been planning a future with her, saving for a house, talking about kids. I had been helping my brother through his breakup, letting him crash on our couch. Never once did I think I was giving him the opportunity to steal the life I was building. When I confronted my parents, I expected anger, outrage, something. But they told me to be mature. They said mistakes happen. They said I shouldn't ruin the family over this. That was the moment I realized I didn't lose just a partner. I lost my entire bloodline. I packed a single suitcase that night. No goodbye, no explanation. I simply walked out the door and kept driving until my tears dried, and the only thing I felt was exhaustion. Starting over wasn't easy. New city, new job, no family, no safety net. But every morning I woke up without the weight of their betrayal dragging me down. Every night I slept without wondering who was lying to me. And eventually, the silence stopped hurting. It started feeling like peace. People say family is everything, but sometimes family is the knife you never see coming. Leaving them behind didn't destroy me, it saved me. And for the first time in my life, I'm building a future that belongs entirely to me.